Hey, everyone, again, it's Luandile here, the leader and the instructor of Manikwe School. But let me see. We're still doing exercise number 8, and if you haven't yet checked out my previous solution, I dare you to. Why you'll see you'll see a little bit of difference on this solution here compared to what we had before. Okay, again, the whole point is to see how can we play around with different pieces of code. Okay, and you can pause the video and then read it through this question here. I am not gonna do that. Okay, what I'll do right now is to jump onto my IDE and then start coding. Okay, value 1. Since we're taking input, since we're taking user input, this is what we need to do. I'll go Sanam value 1. I'll then copy and paste the 3 numbers. Oops, gosh, they are so stupid. Number 3, eval inputs. Enter value 3. I'll replace that 1 with a 2, likewise for the variable name. Okay, unlike before, here's what I'll do. I'll have a variable, however, I'll initialize it to value 1. I'll then go total is equals to total plus value 2. Again, this is different from what we had before, however, the end results will be the same. Value 3 done. So average, just like before, will be nothing else but again doing things differently, but in the end we're gonna have one and the same results. Okay, you know what, now it is time for me to do the printing. Just like before, I won't have something complex. It will be as simple as going total equals to, and then we put the value that is stored in this total variable. Same thing applies for the last part, which is average. Averager. Okay, this is my second solution on exercise 8. I don't know, you guys, you see, when I was actually doing Java videos, what I used to do is to also, out of the 3 solutions, the third one from student C used to be something that have never been covered. Okay, and I was planning on doing the same thing with Python, but I don't know, you guys, you let me know what you think of that. Okay, see, for instance, we could get away with this problem by using a for loop. Okay, instead of repeating this whole thing here, we could use a loop and then take it from there. Okay, yeah, but then I'm not quite sure whether to do things that way. I don't know whether that approach is a good way of doing things, or perhaps I'll be creating more confusion. Please let me know down in the comments what's your opinion on that. Do you want me to apply a concept to her I haven't yet covered, or you want me to only apply things we've only covered so far. Cheers, you guys. I'm gone. That's the question.